Hi, this is Yu-Yen from UT Dallas. We provide a system to render user as a textured humanoid avatar in first-person view using single-frame Kinect. We target on a pan-alive scan for amputees in home treatment. The person in the photo will sit with the leg folded to mimic an amputee. Then, system will mirror the intact limb in the virtual space. Upper image is the result from Mr. Math 2019. Well, the area hidden from camera was missing compared with the current approach below. Our system contains three main steps. First, taking input from Kinect, then fitting simple model, lastly, gathering texture to render. Further, all test and audix dataset are used to evaluate the system. Here is a short demo. Video on left and right are corresponding to the third and first person rendering. As shown in video, the avatar is intact and textured in both perspectives. Thank you for watching.